Let's talk about that new Copilot icon that just appeared in all your apps. You're paying for 1,365 licenses, you've ticked the box to enable AI, and 6 weeks later, your team's productivity is exactly the same and your ROI on this is zero. This is the buy a tool fallacy in action. So what is Microsoft Copilot? In plain English, it's Microsoft's integration brain. It's designed to be the AI assistant that lives inside the ecosystem your company already runs on Microsoft Teams, on Outlook, Excel, Word, and all of your data in OneDrive and SharePoint. This promise is a C-suite's dream. First, the security, which unlike public AI, Copilot works inside your company's secure tenant. It's your AI using your data without leaking it into the world. Second, the integration. It's the workflow AI. The pro is that it can summarize the 1-hour Teams call you just missed. It can analyze a messy Excel file and find 3 key trends, or it can draft a response to an Outlook email based on another Word doc. It's that grunt work automator that's supposed to save everyone 10 hours a week. So if it's so great, why is your ROI zero? The first problem is no one rewires their workflows. You gave your team a new tool, but you didn't change the process. So the old manual way is still kind of happening with muscle memory. You didn't train anyone or redesign the workflow, so no one's using it. Problem number 2, the whole garbage in, garbage out. Copilot's only as good as the data. It's reading your chaotic, disorganized OneDrive and SharePoint folders. It's finding 12 versions of the same file. And that digital spaghetti of your data, its answers are just going to give you smarter versions of chaos. You didn't buy a solution here. You bought a very expensive engine without a steering wheel. The tool is not going to fix broken processes or messy data. You have to build a strategy first and get those guardrails in place, the data governance in place, and a plan to rewire your workflows to work with it. So here's an action item. Ask your head of IT what our adoption rate is on the Copilot licenses we're paying for. The number they give you is the cost of not having a strategy. This is Brains, Bots, and Business. We'll catch you on the next one.